In today's digital age, there are many different ways to create art. Whether you're a painter, sculptor, or graphic designer, a good drawing tablet can help you improve your work. However, not all tablets are created equal. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the best drawing tablets for digital artists in 2022. We have included links in the description box. Let's get started. At number 1 is Wacom Cintiq 22 Drawing Tablet. A full HD drawing experience is provided by the Wacom Cintiq 22 Drawing Tablet, which features a 1808p screen. The large drawing area makes it easy and comfortable for both professionals and beginners to draw on. For such a top-of-the-line drawing tablet, the color gamut shouldn't be less than 72%, but you won't get it unless you upgrade to a Cintiq Pro. Using the Wacom Cintiq 22 is a pleasure due to its anti-glare surface. Additionally, the tablet screen is textured, which makes drawing with it more tangible. You can choose from 8,192 pressure levels when using the Pro Pen 2. The tilt sensitivity and accurate strokes of this tablet make it an excellent choice for business use. On top of that, the Wacom Cintiq 22 has a tilt display, which can be adjusted to your preferred angle. This tablet deserves consideration if you're a digital artist, regardless of where you get artistic inspiration from. At number 2 is the 2022 Apple iPad Air. Among the best tablets for creators is the Apple iPad Air 2022. There's a 10.9-inch LCD panel, 500 nits of brightness, anti-reflective coating, and a substantial resolution of 2360 by 1640 to enjoy. Even though it isn't as powerful or capable as the iPad Pro, it comes with a much more appealing price tag. Depending on how much digital art you want to create, you can choose between 64GB and 256GB of storage on the 2022 Apple iPad Air. Additionally, a subscription to iCloud Plus is available, allowing you to use this service even further. Additionally, the 2022 iPad is compatible with the second generation Apple Pencil, whereas the base iPad is only compatible with the first generation. Even if you aren't a fan of Apple already, the 2022 Apple iPad Air could change your mind with the M1 processor. App Store users who wish to use more complex and creative apps, utilizing the M1 chip, may now do so. Using the M1 chip leads to a more seamless web browsing experience. At number 3 is XPPen Artist 24 Pro Graphics Tablet. It is a good drawing tablet for novices or semi-professionals who need a medium-priced device. The tablet has an outstanding 90% Adobe RGB color reproduction compared to its competitors, boasting a 2K QHD display. At an acceptable price, you get great performance and plenty of detail. The display itself is covered with anti-glare material and offers a textured overlay to make the drawing experience as authentic as possible. It is really easy to draw and paint with the XPPen Artist 24 Pro stylus, which offers accurate and responsive strokes. A tablet stand can be adjusted from 16 degrees to 90 degrees on the tablet's back. There are 20 shortcut keys that you can assign to the XPPen Artist 24 Pro, making it even more versatile. This drawing tablet is a worthwhile consideration if you're an up-and-coming digital artist or need a high-performance platform to express yourself, especially when competitors are out of reach. At number 4 is Wacom PTH 660 Intuos Pro Digital Graphic Drawing Tablet. Once it's out of the box, the Wacom Intuos Pro requires a little bit of setup, but once it's set up, digital artists are going to love it. A drawing tablet that can be customized from the get-go with your own on-screen controls, touch settings, express keys, etc. Therefore, you can tailor your options to suit your taste, whether you're an artistic novice or a professional. In addition to the Wacom Intuos Pro, it comes with the Wacom Pro Pen 2. Without some tweaks to the default settings, it's quite responsive, if not a little too sensitive. There is no problem using this tablet with your favorite software since it is compatible with major applications like Photoshop, Maya, and Mari. The Wacom Intuos Pro feels, looks, and responds better than a cheap drawing tablet, and that's evident in how it feels and looks. For freelancers or artists on the go who like sketching out their ideas, the Wacom Intuos Pro is ideal. It offers 8,192 levels of pressure and tilt. Even at its largest size, this tablet is affordable, even though it has the advanced features you'd expect to find in high-end drawing tablets. At number 5 is Microsoft Surface Pro 8. It's hard not to be blown away by the Microsoft Surface Pro 8. Though thinner than its predecessors, this phone is more stylish, refined, and durable than its predecessors. Featuring a thin bezel that allows for a larger display and a 120Hz refresh rate, it is ideal for digital artists looking for a drawing tablet and laptop in one package. With a peak brightness of 467 nits, this tablet has a sRGB spectrum of 103%. This means that your paintings and drawings will look great on the display of the Microsoft Surface Pro 8. In order to use the Surface Slim Pen 2, artists will need to purchase a stylus pen that's compatible with the Surface, which is an additional expense on top of what's already a significant expense. You won't be disappointed with the Microsoft Surface Pro 8 if you are prepared to indulge. Despite its power-saving features, this device boasts a battery life of over 8 hours, as well as a front and rear-facing camera, as well as a bloat-free version of Windows 11. So that sums today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, be sure to click the subscribe button. Have a wonderful day till the next video.